5 YouTube channels learn English speaking practice. First, BBC Learn English. Focus करता grammar vocabulary. Best for learning, looking for high quality content type web series, YouTube apps, news based on lesson. Style educational and professional. Second, English with Lucky. Focus British English. Best for British English practice tip, content type YouTube videos, vocabulary. Style Polished Academy. Third, Rancher English. Focus American pronunciation. Best for learners who want perfect American pronunciation, content type YouTube videos, online academy. Style technical pronunciation focus. Fourth, Speak with Vanisha. Focus conversation skills, vocabulary, listening, natural English. Best for learners who want to speak confidently and naturally. Content of YouTube video source broadcast. Fifth, English class 101. Focus vocabulary, listening, dialogues. Best for learners who like bit size. Content of web series, websites, app, audios. Style mobile.